Good morning, students. This is an online class of English. Today we will study a new topic related to the English grammar, and today's topic is word and types of words. First of all, let me tell you the objectives of the lesson. These are the objectives of this lesson. The first objective is to learn about words. Second is to learn about different types of words. And third is different parts of speech. Now come to the content of the lesson. After studying this lesson, we will be able to know about definition of words, importance of words, different types of word classes or parts of speech, and different types of words. First of all, definition of words. We all know about the words because we use many words in our day-to-day lives. From the very beginning of our life, we have heard and learned many words. So, the definition of the word is words are the thing which we use to express our feelings to others. So, this is the definition. Word, a collection or group of letters with some meaning called as word. According to this definition, if a group of letters depicts a meaning, then only it is a word. But if there is no meaning, that is not a word. For example, when we say apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, when we pronounce this word or we hear this word, an image came to in our mind that it is the name of a fruit. So this is a correct word. We understand its meaning. But this is the second word, P-X-L-T-P-Q. After pronouncing this word or after reading it, after listening it, nothing came to in our mind. No image came to in our mind. We can't understand. So this is an incorrect word. So every word must have a meaning. Now here comes the importance of words, or why do we need words? Now we will learn about the importance of words, or why do we need words. First importance is we need words to express our feelings and emotions to others, or to express what we want to tell others. When we want to tell something to others, we need words. Second importance is we tell our feelings and emotions to others through our speech. Whenever we want to tell something to others, we use our speech. We tell them it through our speech. To form a speech, we all need words. But for a speech, we need a lot of words. So words are the different parts of speech. When we speak, we use different types of words, and these all words are called the parts of speech. Now, here is the parts of speech. All types of words are known as part of speech or word classes. We can also call them word classes. words which we use in our daily life, they are all the parts of speech. There are mainly 8 parts of speech. You all have already learned about these 8 parts of speech in your previous classes individually. So let us remind it. First part of speech is noun. We all know that noun are the naming words. Example, Ram, Banikhet, table. These are the name of things. Second is pronoun, words which are used in place of noun. Example, he, she, it. So, this is the second part of speech. Adjective, words which describe a noun. Example, big ball, small bat, long hair, etc. So, these all words describe a noun. So, these are adjectives. We all use adjectives in our daily speech. Fourth is verb, action words. Example, read, write, play. The words which depicts our action. Fifth is adverb. Adverb are the words which modifies verb. Example, beautifully, badly, attentively. Sixth part is prepositions, which links nouns and pronouns to the other part of the sentence, or we can say which tells us the position of the thing. For example, in, on, at. Seventh is conjunction, joining words. Example, and, or, if. The words which join two clauses or two sentences, these type of words are called conjunctions. Interjection. Interjections are related to the feelings. Example, oh, ah, bingo. These types of words we use when we want to express our feelings. So, these are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. We all have studied about these 8 parts of speech in our previous classes individually. Now, here comes types of word classes or types of part of speech. Word classes are also called parts of speech. Parts of speech or word classes are further divided into 2 parts. These 2 parts are open classes and closed classes. Open classes, word which can be changed. The word which we can change, these may be noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. We can make a noun, we can change a noun into a verb, into an adjective, or into an adverb, or a verb into an adjective or into an adverb. So these 4 parts of speech are called open classes. And the second part is closed classes, words which cannot be changed. Pronoun, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. These 4 parts of speech, we cannot change them. So these are called fixed words. Thank you.